Hi, hello, and welcome to Noodles Monday Aaha, a series on instant noodles. New recipes every Monday. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Let's get into the video.
Today we will be preparing spicy minced meat noodles. Now for this I'll be using a top Ramen Fiery Chilli Noodles. For preparing the noodles I have taken a pan and will add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, refined oil. Now once the oil is warm, we will add half a teaspoon of chopped garlic, one teaspoon of finely chopped onions, and half a teaspoon of finely chopped capsicum, and fry it till the onion gets glossy. Once the onion turns glossy, now it's time to add some chopped mushrooms. Fry the mushrooms till the mushrooms get cooked. Now that the mushrooms are cooked, now it's time to add the ground meat. Now I have taken around 100 grams of ground meat, so we will add the ground meat at this point of time. Now fry the ground meat along with the mushrooms till the meat gets cooked. Usually the ground meat will take around 4 to 7 minutes to get cooked, so we will fry it along with the mushrooms. Now the ground meat is cooked, and now at this point of time we're going to add the seasoning that is available in the noodles packet. Mix it well so that the seasoning blends with the meat and the mushrooms. Now we're going to use 4 blocks of noodles, so I'm going to add 4 cups of water. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Now check the salt at this time. If in case you need some salt, you can add some salt to it. Now that it's come to a boil, now it's time to add the noodle blocks. So we will be adding the noodle blocks that is in the packet. Now these noodle blocks are flavored noodle blocks. So I think it's chili flavored noodle blocks. So we're going to add that, immerse the noodles in the water so that it gets cooked. And now we will cover it with the lid and we'll allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Now the noodles has been cooking for 2 minutes. At this point of time, we'll open up the lid and check if the noodles are cooked. The noodles need some more time to cook, and there is also some water left in the noodles. We will allow it to cook till the water drains from the noodles. Now the water is drained from the noodles and the noodles are cooked. At this point of time, we will turn off the stove and add some chopped spring onions. Your spicy ground meat or minced meat noodles is ready.
Hope you love this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.